Would you look at that? Filthy. Absolutely filthy.
Looks like a Datsun 620 to me. Even from a distance, looks like it has a major amount of rust in it. Almost like a farm truck or something.
What a piece of junk!
But anyway, we're not here to look at this piece of junk. We are here to look at this piece of junk. 1981 280ZX non-turbo. And someone has already gotten the front struts. Let's see. Automatic transmission. Oh, great. Darn. 81 would have been a nice transmission to get a 5-speed out of, but from the outside, door looks pretty good. Even the fender here is nice. And this car has a pretty good body on it. Not a lot of rust. Kind of looks like someone was driving it and taking care of it. Already got the tail lights. Not too much rust under the rear hatch. If you need a decent hatch, this one's not too bad. And not a lot of rust at the bottom there, although that's not a bolt-on part, but you know, this car isn't all that bad of shape. I do like the blue and silver interior on the 280ZX. I guess the only interior I don't like is the brown, but pretty straight. Door looks good. A little bit of damage on the lower rocker, but yeah, whatever. U-joints, as expected. Looks like an R180. There it is. Doesn't look like anyone's really taken much from this engine. L28 should be the higher compression with the flat top pistons, P79 head, with the larger master cylinder if you want to upgrade your S30Z. Hood's pretty straight, you know, a little bit of paint damage there, but it looks like you could just sand that and paint that right up. You know, dash has a couple cracks, but not too bad. Carpet's okay. Got a center console here. Some other trash. Looks like someone's been digging around under the dash there, maybe getting some wiring or something, I don't know. I wonder what the fuse box style is. So yeah, pretty complete, not too bad. Someone grabbed the seats, the tail lights, and the front struts. So that's about it. Might be a good engine for a non-turbo L28. Now this is an interesting old van made by Dodge. What is this? Trans van. What is this thing? A bus or a motorhome? It looks like they gutted it. It might have been a motorhome of some sort. Definitely camping it. Go on a road trip. Hey everybody, all aboard the trans van. Very weird taillights. I don't know what those are from. So this 280Z, this has been here for a couple months, maybe even close to 3 months. I just haven't had a chance to get up here, take a look at it. So I don't expect there to be much left. That hood is pretty straight. You know, people don't really seem to be buying the front struts for the S30. I don't know. I guess they don't ever really need to be replaced. The sunroof been ripped. Someone tried to rip it out of the car. Maybe a thief was trying to break into it at one time. It's got the early style bumpers. So I believe this is a 76. So those bumpers were on 1975 and 76. You know, good amount of rust. Typical. Door's got some rust. I don't know, the door could probably be saved if you need one that was dented. I don't know. I think this one will be a R200 because it has a manual transmission. Steering wheel. Dash is okay, except above the glove box, it's someone like smashed it. Yeah. Interior is pretty well stripped. Oh, there's the center console. What's left of it. Yeah. All the heater controls gone. I mean, the gauges are there, but I don't know. People usually replace those with aftermarket. Decent looking sun visors there. I'm going to buy those. And it is a 4-speed manual. Which makes sense. I think this 5 speeds were an option and only starting in 77 from what I remember. You know, not that people haven't swapped the 5 speeds into older cars, but exhaust manifold. So I guess only the engine's really been picked over. Airflow meter's still there. Well, it may not work anymore though. Still got your brake and your clutch master. In 42. Inspection lids are not in good shape. Hinge is really rusty. Passenger fender looks pretty good. So
Stay alive out there.
That one's hot like leather seats on a 100-degree day. That's Fahrenheit, not Celsius. But it is boiling in here. I'm taking it off to this next record. It is hot, baby. You know what it takes to make a great record, and so does Laura Branigan.